currant bush in November. It's practically dying. Well, it's another season and the currants are starting to grow. This is a combination of red currants and white currants. See those flowers? They'll either turn white or deep red.
This year actually we got abundance of finally of white currants. That's what those are. You can see. It's the first time we got that much. It just rained, so I didn't realize this got ripe pretty fast. I think with all the heat wave that we have had the last few days. There's a lot of mosquitoes out here right now, so I'm gonna get as much as I can. And I'm gonna go inside because I'm getting eaten alive. But this is nice because we finally get to really enjoy the white currants.
And over here in the kitchen, my dad is washing and drying the currants that we harvested today. And here are all of them that we harvested. We have one big bucket over here, and then we have a bunch over here. And half of it we are giving to our neighbors because she wants to make them for pies. So we do, in our freezer, we have some currants in containers from previous years. And we're going to try something new this year because we saw it on YouTube. And it's basically dehydrating currants. So these are what the white currants look like. And I'm going to eat them. And guys, it was really late when my dad picked them. So, but there's still some out there and he didn't get all of them because there were a lot of mosquitoes out there. Oh my gosh. ASMR. It's really good. I'm whispering because that's what they do on YouTube and ASMR videos. So guys, it's really late and my dad is now dehydrating the currants on a dehydrator. And if I'm not mistaken, it should look like raisins when it's finished.
Did you want to save some of this fresh one to eat?
Yeah. Maybe half of this. Yeah, that's good. Now he's gonna pour the rest on the dehydrator. I think this might be the last layer.
So it's been dehydrating for about 24 hours. So we're just rotating this around. Here's some that's already dehydrated.
So guys, I just informed my dad that he forgot that we still had currants over here. So by the koi ponds. So now I'm just gonna. They're splashing. After a week, this is what our currants look like.
Oh, hi, baby. You can just get out of there, Kiki.
And here's the second round. And these currants are dehydrated. They're like little raisins, guys. This is one row. Now it's time to go for the second. I'll take all of these. Da-da-da! Healthy snack.